Okay,
Can you see the numbers? Can you see numbers on it?
Numbers?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are.
Are they ticking over? Number on this end, yeah. This end,
Yes, they are.
oh, good. Go on in, Bethan.
Hamilton.
Oh, unlucky! Oh my god.
Go, kid.
Go on, big man.
Go on.
Go on, big man.
Oh.
Oh! Hey! Official cameraman! Oh! Yeah, did I? Didn't make it cross.
Do you know what I told to do without me?
What, Dav? Bethan, what's his over there? Just go. Oh.
It is to do without me people in the water either side.
Give me mate. Oh, good skill. Good skill, mate. Well done. Well done. Yeah.
Get yourself set though. You got it trying to run across there.
Hey, we good.
Good bad.
Go on, Carol! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, boys! Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Hey! Girls! Hey! Boys, 3 on a time! 3 on a time! 3 on at a time. Otherwise you'll snap it. So 3 can fight as much as you like. Tag team! Tag team! Oh, who's that? Nath will have him now. Nath will have him. Have him, Nath! Nath! Oh, where's he going? Was he gone? Oh, I didn't know where he'd gone.
He was coming in the air and I was trying to pull him back. That way.
What's that? Time out. Hey, let's have a sing song.
I tried to pull you back.
Hey, should have a song. Oh, what's that? Time off! Naughty boys. Naughty boys. Hey! La 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 la.
What are you trying to get over the side?
He wiped you out, didn't he? Whoop! Joy?
Yeah, good fun, runner. He was only trying to get the other side of that thing when he ran in towards me.
He went underneath it.
No, I was trying to pull him back. He was swimming against me under the thing. I could be under it.
I said, John, before you see that, we were like, oh my god.
And then he popped on the other side as if he's going to be sick.
Split second, I thought, oh my god, where's he gone?
Panicked a bit, didn't he?
Oh, you see Megan, face plant? Get a photo of Nathan and his daughter. You know it. Good, isn't it? Good crack, wasn't it?